Divorce is a significant life event that affects everyone involved. Our course, Understanding Divorce, Procedures, Rights, and Responsibilities, offers comprehensive knowledge and guidance on the complexities of divorce. Students will learn about pre-divorce considerations, the right to divorce, and detailed divorce procedures in 3 parts. The course also covers the directive of waiting period and post-divorce etiquette and responsibilities. This course empowers you with the knowledge and skills to navigate divorce confidently and clearly. Whether you are experiencing divorce, supporting someone, or seeking to understand the process, this course provides valuable insights and practical guidance. By the end of this course, you will understand the entire divorce process, and be equipped to handle its emotional, legal, and social aspects. Enroll today to gain essential knowledge and skills for navigating divorce with dignity and understanding.